Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon you and Allah mercy and blessing. Dear the panel of judge from the Ministry of Education and Culture, I respect the principal of State Junior High School 1, Kutawinangun, Mrs. Siti Puji Astuti, SPD, MBD, as well as what I'm proud of my friend from State Junior High School 1, Kutawinangun. We thank God for the presence of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala because we are still given the opportunity to gather in this field in good health without any shortcoming. Before getting to the point, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Andrean Wahyu Purnomo from State Junior High School 1, Kutawinangun. And also, I would like to thank you for the opportunity that has been given to me to deliver a speech about the Pancasila student. Ladies and gentlemen, as a Pancasila student, we have the goal to strengthening character, develop competence as well as developing skill, attitude, and knowledge. We must also be able to form students who are independent, creative, and have a spirit of mutual cooperation. This has an impact on the formation of character to foster respect for cultural diversity and eliminate the prejudice and reflect on the value of cultural diversity. Indonesia has many life philosophies such as Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, which means it's although different but still one in diversity. Pancasila students must have a respect for a culture and make this diversity was to be the key to togetherness to achieve success. Ladies and gentlemen, Pancasila students not only have respect on the culture, but Pancasila students must also be knowledgeable and have a high creativity to advance the nation. They can realize it by developing several new technologies and innovation. With proper utilization, existing technology can be used to seek useful knowledge, and then they can become smarter and more creative. Ladies and gentlemen, Pancasila students must obey religious teaching and make a religion as a guide in their heart to do good deeds and stay away from bad things. At last, a positive environment with a full of goodness will be created. That's all from me, and if there are any shortcoming, I apologize. I hope what I say today is useful for all of us. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.